The first thing you need to do is you need to go to aplusstudents.com. Once you're on the website, you select math as your subject. This is a grade 3 maths lesson. The name of the topic is addition. I'll give you the chapter number and the lesson number. Hi, Bupa. The chapter number is 2 and the lesson number is 5. Chapter number 2, lesson number 5, and the name of the lesson is Balanced Addition Equation. Balance Addition Equations up to 3 digits. So let's go to grade 3 maths, grade 3, chapter number 2, lesson number 5. Okay. So the first question that we have is, it says which number makes the equation true? What they are giving us is the left hand side of the equation. Equation means some values on the left side and some values on the right side. Hi Fortuna. Hi Hyper. So if this is the equation that has been given to us, they are saying some values are on the left side. Okay, we just consider this. This set of value is on the left hand side, and this set of the value is on the right hand side, because we are saying this is an equation. Equation means an equal sign. Agreed? So what we need to find is, we need to see what is the total of the 3 digits numbers on the left hand side and what should be added to the right side to make it equal. So what we can say is, we can add 565 to 293. We can add them together because they have an addition sign. Agreed? Let's add them together, and let's add the ones. 5 plus 3 is 8. 6 plus 9 is 15. We carry the 1. And 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. Agreed? So this means on the left hand side, our answer is 858. It should be equals to something on this side, right? So what happens over here is a number that is missing. We're missing a number, right? We need to find the missing value. So if we need to find the missing value, what we can say is this 190 was a plus. Agreed? We need to remove this 190. So can we subtract 190 from both the sides? We subtract this number from both the sides. That means 190 minus 190 would be a 0. Agreed? And what is left over here? 8 minus 0 was, what is 8 minus 0? That would be 8. From 5 we cannot subtract 9. So we carry 1. This becomes 7 hundreds and 15 tens. 15 minus 9 is 6. And 7 minus 1 was 6. So we found this missing number, 668. Agreed? Do we agree on this? Why are we subtracting? Because it had a positive sign. Let's look at another example. Okay, I'll do it again from this basics. For the next question, it's given to us which number makes the equation true such that the numbers given to us are question number 2. If these are the numbers that are given to us, this would be our question number 2. Okay, so what is happening on this side is, on the left hand side, these are the numbers and these are the numbers on the right hand side. Perfect. Thank you, Buko. So what is the, we can see we have addition sign on the left hand side, left side. Okay. So what is 865 plus 130? 5 plus 0 is 5. 6 plus 3 is 9. And 1 plus 8 was 9. So we can say 995 should be equals to these numbers. Agreed? Should be equals to this. Okay? Do we agree? See, what we can see on the other side is that 995 is equals to a missing number plus 419. So what we do is we subtract 419 because it was plus. We do minus 419 on both the sides. Okay. On the right side, we can say 419 minus 419 comes out to be 0, 0, and 0. Agreed? And on the other side, 9 minus 5 is not possible. So we carry 1 from the tens. 15 minus 9 was 6. 8 minus 1 was 7. And 9 minus 4 is 5. That means this number comes out to be 576. Hi Baruch. Hi Semi. Hi Precious. Okay. Do we have an understanding over here how we are doing this question? Any problems? Let's try a question again. Let's do it gradually and see what happens for the next question. Perfect. Thank you, Lega Boy. Thank you, Hyper. When we look at the next question, question number 3, it says, which number makes the statement true? Okay. I'm writing the left hand side and the right hand side again and again so that we just remember. You don't have to say that, write these things, but if you write them, it would not make any problem, right? And please, for the topics that we have completed, finish the test so that you have a better idea. At the end of each topic, finish the test so that we have a better idea how much we understood, right? This is the right hand side. Agreed? Okay. For the left hand side, what we can say is the number is missing on the left side. Can we add the numbers on the right hand side? Can we say 218 plus 636 6 plus 8 is 14. 14 ones, that means 1 tens and 4 ones. 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 3 is 5, and 2 plus 6 is 8. That means the total comes out to be 854. It does not make any difference if we have the missing number on the left side or on the right side. It does not make any difference, right? Since we had plus 565, right? So we subtract 565 on both the sides, minus 565 on both the sides. Okay, precious. 5 minus this becomes 0. And what about this? From 4 we cannot subtract 5. Can we carry 1 from here? This becomes 4, it becomes 14. 14 minus 5 was 9. 4 minus 6 is not possible, so we carry 1. This becomes 7, this becomes 14. 14 minus 6 was 8, and 7 minus 5 was 2. So we can say 289. Am I making a mistake? 854 minus 565, 289. Liga boy, let's confirm. See, I'll just do the working again. This part. 854 minus 565. Let's see. We know that this value was ones, this is tens, and this is hundreds, right? There are 4 ones. Yes, Hyper. Thank you. There are 4 ones. We cannot subtract 5. Lego boy, let's confirm. So what we do is we take 1 tens. We carry 10 was 5. It becomes 4, and we carry it to ones. Now we have 14 ones. 14 ones minus 5 is 14 minus 5 is I. Okay. 14 minus 5 is 9. For the next value, this is written as 4 minus 6. That is not possible. So we carry 1 from the hundreds. So hundreds was 8. It becomes 7. And we give 10 tens to tens, right? That means there are 14 tens minus 6. 14 minus 6 was 8. And this was 7 minus 5. This was 2. So this comes out to be 200. It comes out to be 289. Okay. Do we agree? Liga boy, do we agree? It's not 399, it's 289. Thank you, Hyper. We were just verifying this. Okay, we just verified this, that this is the correct answer. Okay. I'll do it again very slow, okay? I'll make it slower, step by step. For the next question, it says, which number makes the equation true? Perfect. Yes, Hyper. This is question number 4. And in question number 4, this is the equation that is given to us. So we say that this is the left side and this is the right side. Okay. Thank you, Legaboy. Thank you, Hyper. Baruch, what about the answer? If we add 763 to 231, so can we say 763 is added to 231? There are 3 ones and 1 ones. 3 plus 1 is 4. 6 plus 3, 7, 8, 9. And 7 plus 2 is 7, 8, 9. That means when we add these numbers together, the answer comes out to be 994 should be equals to this number. But on the right side, we are missing one number. Yes, thank you, Legaboy. And Legaboy, it should be, yes, 994. Perfect, Hyper. Buko. Okay, you're writing the other way around. Baroque, Legaboy, Hyper, Ife, thank you. Now what we need to do is we need to find the missing number. So what we do is we subtract this number on both the sides. So 211 minus 211, the answer becomes 0 over here. What about here? 4 minus 1 would be 3. 9 minus 1 would be 8. And 9 minus 2 is 7. So can we say the missing number was 783? Do we have the same answer? Do we have the same answer? Perfect. Thank you. Thank you, Hyper. I'll thank everyone else also once the answers are on the screen. Okay. Next question says, which number makes the equation true? For the given values, it says, question number 5. This is our given question, question number 5. Okay. Thank you, Hyper. Let's move ahead. So if I say we have the values on the left hand side and we have the values on the right hand side, let's add the numbers on the left side. The numbers were 148 plus 795. So when we add the numbers on the left side, the numbers were 148 plus 795. 8 plus 5 is 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. That means there are 13 ones. So we write down the 3 and we carry 1 to the tens. Agreed? How many tens are there? 1 plus 4 is 5, and 5 plus 9 is 14. Or we can say 1 plus 9 is 10, 10 plus 4 is 14. We take 1 to the hundreds. 1 plus 1 is 2, and 2 plus 7 is 9. That means we can say 943 should be equals to this value. Agreed? Perfect. Thank you, Hyper. Now what we need to do is we have 943 is equals to 529 plus the missing number. So can we subtract 529 on both the sides? 529 minus 529, this becomes 0. Let's do the subtraction over here. These were the ones, these are the tens, and these are the hundreds. Thank you, Aife. 943 minus 529. Let's simplify. We cannot subtract 9 minus 3. So we take 1 from the tens. Tens was 4, it becomes 3, and this becomes 13 ones. 13 minus 9. So let's count 9 plus what equals to 13. After 9 we have 10, 11, 12, 13. That means 4, 13 minus 9 is 4. 3 minus 2 would be 1. And 9 minus 5 is 4. So that means the missing number should be 4, 1. We have the same answer. So the 943 minus 529 is perfect. Thank you, Hyper. It's 414. Let's have a look at another example. For question number 6, it says, if the given values are this, which number makes the equation true? If this is the given equation, question number 6, what they are saying is a missing number plus 147 should be equals to 118 plus 611. Perfect. Thank you, Aife. Let's add the numbers together. These are the numbers on the left hand side, and these are the numbers on the right hand side. Both the numbers are given on the right side. So let's add the numbers on the right side. We can write 118, 118 plus 611. It should come out to be equals to 8 plus 1 is 8 plus 1 becomes 9. 8 plus 1 becomes 9. 1 plus 1 becomes 2. And 1 plus 6 becomes 7. So can we say the numbers on this side are perfect? Thank you, Hyper. 729. And we had a missing number on this side. So what we can do is a missing number plus 147 should be equals to 729. So what we do is we minus 100, this number 147 on both the sides. Plus 147 minus 147 becomes 0. I fear what is the answer? 729 minus 147. If we know that these were the ones, these are the tens, and these are the given hundreds, can we subtract 9 minus 7? 9 minus 7 should be, what should be 9 minus 7? 9 minus 7 should be equals to 2. 9 minus 7 is 2. From 2 we cannot subtract 4. Rebecca? 2 minus 4 is not possible. Therefore, we carry. This 7 becomes a 6. And this becomes 10s. 12s. Agreed? We have 12 tens. 12 minus 4 is 8. And 6 minus 1 was 5. My answer is coming out to be 582. 729 minus 147, 582. Let's do it again. Okay. Let's do this working again. If I say 729 minus 147, we know that 9 minus 7 is 2, but in tens 2 minus 4 is not possible. Perfect. Thank you, Hyper. We're just verifying the answer working. Okay, we are redoing it to verify this answer, because this answer came out to be 582. Okay, let's see. There were 2 tens minus 4 tens. That is not possible. So we take 10 tens from 100. We carry 1. This 7 becomes 6. This becomes 12. 12 minus 4 was 8. And 6 minus 1 was 5. 582 was the missing number. Okay. Let's look at another example. For the next question, it says, which number makes the equation true such that... Thank you, Hyper. Question number 6. If this is our question number 6, and they're asking us which number will make the statement true such that this is the left-hand side and these were the numbers on the right-hand side. Thank you, Nani. Solomon, what is the answer? Okay, let's do question number 6 together. In question number 6, we know that on the right side, two numbers are given. So we can say 631 plus 246. 1 plus 6 is 1 plus 6 is 7. 3 plus 4 is 7. And 6 plus 2 was 8. So we can say when we add the numbers together, the answer should come out to be 877. Perfect. Thank you, Lego boy. Okay, that means 244 plus a missing number should be equals to 877. Thank you, Nani. Thank you, Lego boy. Thank you, Hyper. Thank you, Barok. Thank you, Ife. Can I have the answer? Now what we need to do is we need to do the subtraction. We minus this number 244 on both the sides. This becomes 0, 0 and 0. But if we subtract the same number on the right side, what should we be left with? Thank you, Hyper. 877 minus 244. Let's do this. 7 minus 4 is possible. 7 minus 4 becomes a 3. 7 minus 4 in tens is against 3. Perfect. And 8 minus 2 should be yes, thank you, Nani. 8 minus 2 was 6. That means the missing number is 633. Question number 7. Let me just copy question number 7 and we'll wait for the other people to complete. So question number 7 says this information. Yes, it is 633. Thank you, everyone. Let's go to question number 7. In question number 7, they are saying the numbers on the left side of the equation are, left side has two numbers, 104 and a missing number, whereas the right hand side has two numbers, 101 and 103. Can we add the numbers on the right side? Can we say 101 plus 103? Since we are adding them together, it is possible. 1 plus 3 is? Rebecca, can I have the answer? To question number 7, what is the missing number? 1 plus 3 is 4. 0 plus 0 would be 0. 0 tens. And 1 plus 1 is 2 hundredths. So we can write 101 plus 103 should be equals to 204, which should be equals to this. Agreed? 104 plus the missing number. Thank you, Solomon. Perfect. So what we do is we minus 104 on both the sides. This becomes 0, 0, and 0. Yes, Nani, that came out to be 204. And 204 minus 104 would be equals to yes, Baruch, Hyper, Nani. The total is 204. Thank you, Solomon. And 204 we minus 104. So can we say 4 minus 4 would be 0. 0 minus 0 is still 0. And 2 minus 1 was 1. Can we say the missing number is 100? Yes, Nani, thank you. Which number makes the equation true? Let's see. Yes, Hyper, Nani, and Solomon. Thank you. Okay, thank you, Baruch. Let's see. The next question, question number 8. They're saying in question number 8 is we have a missing number plus 242 should be equals to 259 plus 172. So we can say this is the right hand side and this was the left hand side. Left and right. Yes, Hyper. So both the numbers are given on the right side. Let's add both the numbers together. Okay. 259 plus 172. Can I write this way? Can I write this way? This number under this, 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 and this. Can I write this way? We cannot write it this way. Why? A unit comes under the unit, a 10 comes under the tens, and 100 comes under the 100, right? I changed the positions. So it's incorrect. So I should write 259 plus 100. 100 comes under 100. 10 comes under tens and unit comes under units. Or ones comes under ones. Yes, thank you, Rekha. 9 plus 2 is 11. We have 11 ones. So we write 1 1 and 1 tens. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 7 is, we know that 6 plus 6 is 12. Then 6 plus 7 should be 13. 13 10 means 130. We write 3 tens and 1 hundreds. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. Solomon, that would be 400s, right? Because we had 13 tens. So we write 3 tens and 100. Thank you, Hyper. No, we cannot have 5. 1 plus 2 plus 1. 431. You want me to do it again? I'll just do it again over here. See, how many ones do we have? We have 9 plus 2 ones, right? Yes, 9 plus 2 is 11. We write 1, we take a 1 over here. And we write 1 plus 5 is 6, and 6 plus 7 is 13. We write the 3, and we carry the 1. What is 1 plus 2 plus 1? That would be, yes, thank you, Solomon, 431, right? So we can say the total addition is 431, which should be equals to this. So a missing number plus 400. Thank you, May. Thank you, Nani. Thank you, Solomon. Thank you, Hyper. Okay. Thank you, Rebecca. So we have a missing number plus 242 should be equals to 431. Since these numbers are added, we subtract 242 on both the sides. This becomes 2 minus 2 is 0, 4 minus 4 is 0, and 2 minus 2 is 0. Let's subtract. What should be the answer? Can 431, can we say 431 minus 242? I'm just doing the working here. We had ones, tens, and hundreds. We had 1 minus 2 ones. That is not possible. 1 minus 2 is not possible. So what we do is we carry 1. 3 becomes 2. This becomes 11. 11 minus 2 was 9. 2 minus 4 is not possible. We carry 1 from hundreds. This becomes 12. 12 minus 4 would be 8. And 3 minus 2 would be. So can I say the answer comes out to be? If there is any confusion, let me know. We'll redo it. Okay, let's see. 431 minus 242, 189. Let's do it again. No problems. Let's confirm. Let's redo it. Okay. Let's say we still have the missing value. We don't know the answer. There is 189. Let's do the working. 431 minus 242. Perfect. Thank you, Hyper. We say we have 1 ones, 3 tens, and 4 hundreds minus 242. 1 minus 2 is not possible. We carry 1 from the tens. 10 was 3, it becomes 2, gives 1 over here. 1 plus 1, 10 plus 1 is 11. 11 minus 2 is 9. 2 minus 4 is not possible. So we go towards the 100 and we take 1 to the tens. Thank you, Rebecca. 12 minus 4 was 8, and 3 minus 2 was 1. So we can say the answer was 189. 189. Okay? Okay. So please do practice a few more questions, okay? Just do a few questions from the test at the end of the lesson so that you have a better idea, right? Okay, everyone, thank you so much. Best of luck. Take care. Have a nice day.